Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this railing for trash cans for under the cabinet. It comes with everything here except the garbage bin. Really simple installation. It already comes apart. Together. You just have to put 4 screws in, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and that's it. Then you just install these, the frames over here on the side and 1 in the back, and those are adjustable. So you can fit any type of garbage can. If you want a smaller can, you can just adjust this so that way it tightly fits it. So it's really cool, super simple, metal chrome, bars over here, so really strong and durable. I love it. I love that you can, close it, and if it's perfect underneath the cabinet, you can close your cabinets, and the garbage is away and not, outside. So this is perfect. I like how it says trash can on it, so really cool. Again, super simple installation, strong and durable. And it's just perfect, so I highly recommend it. It's a great product to have at home, and that's it. Every kitchen should have one, so I hope you enjoy. Bye.